Hey everyone, today we're at IGA in Melba. We have a walk-in refrigerator out here, as you can see, with local liquor of course. So let's check it out. These have my old door that I like. Interesting. So we have Buffalo Trident evaporators. See? What an interesting find. So this is actually an old one, brand new Buffalo Tridents. So this is Buffalo Trident right there, of course. Well, back, and as you can see, there's the drainage pipe. So this evaporator has 4 fans on it. So yeah, that's about it really, and I hope you have enjoyed. There's really not much to see, it's pretty small. So that's about it really, and I hope you have enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Bye!